Brimming with excitement and national pride, residents of Hardap Region, many of them clad in their traditional attires, gathered at the Mariental Showgrounds to join the rest of Namibians in celebrating the country's 36th independence anniversary.
Let us protect the unity for which our heroes and heroines fought. Let us honor our elders, not by speaking in their name to divide the country, but by defending the republic.
Theofelus said Namibia has made significant strides in socio-economic development.
We have earned respect as a peaceful and democratic nation. These are not small achievements. They are the fruits of a people determined to build from the ashes of oppression. We are determined to build a well-functioning republic based on dignity and hope. And yet, even as we celebrate progress, we must also speak that there is so much more to do.
Hardap Governor Rian McNabb said the country's 36th anniversary national celebration is a reminder of courage and unity of purpose that defined Namibia's liberation and gave birth to a free and sovereign nation.
So as we celebrate this milestone under the theme, Beyond 35, for a prosperous future, we are called not only to reflect on how far we have come, but more importantly, to reimagine and recommit ourselves to the future we want to build together.
The independence celebration was also marked by poetry, traditional dances, and musical performances.
Thank you to the dreamers who believed in a free Namibia.
Die tyd wanneer die pastors die Here moes vertrou.
Luke Pantluter, NBC News, Mariental.